Do you struggle with anxiety and panic disorder? Did you know that changing your breathing patterns can help to lessen your symptoms? Around 80% of people with anxiety and panic disorder have dysfunctional breathing patterns. Their breathing is much faster, upper chest, irregular, and often through the mouth. The same group of individuals often feel like they can't take a satisfying deep breath, leading to feelings of air hunger and suffocation. Faster, irregular breathing patterns feed into anxiety and panic disorder, and it's not just the stress and anxiety that changes the breathing pattern. Dysfunctional breathing patterns also feed back into stress and anxiety, and it becomes a loop. But there's good news. Breathing light, breathing slow, and breathing deep can all help to lessen your symptoms. By breathing light, you can improve blood flow and oxygenation to the brain, and also reduce your sensitivity to the accumulation of carbon dioxide, which helps to calm down the symptoms of anxiety and panic. Slow breathing brings calmness to the mind, stimulates the vagus nerve, and helps to achieve a balance in the autonomic nervous system. That's the branch of the nervous system responsible for fight, flight, and fright on the one hand, and rest, digest, and heal on the other. And then thirdly, breathing deep is important because there's a connection between the diaphragm and emotions. When we breathe fast and shallow, it can really cause agitation to the mind. But breathing slow and low can help to bring calmness. To address panic disorder and anxiety, it is essential to address dysfunctional breathing patterns and to also improve your sleep quality. To begin addressing anxiety and panic disorder and improve your sleep, it is vital that you switch to nose breathing full time, day and night. You can try using a paper tape at night just to help train yourself to nose breathe. It's important that your breathing is assessed before doing this, though, if you have difficulty breathing through your nose. By slowing down your breathing, breathing from your diaphragm, you're going to reduce stress and move yourself away from that habitual loop of anxiety. By breathing light, you will reduce your sensitivity to carbon dioxide, allowing your breathing to become more regular. As your breathing improves, your anxiety will lessen. Improving your sleep quality is also important to achieving calmness of the mind. So with some really simple breathing exercises, starting with breathing through the nose at all times, you can really start to calm your nervous system, restore functional breathing, and calm your body and mind. So if you've been struggling with anxiety, consider taking the first step towards improving your breathing patterns and calming your mind by reaching out to me today. And together we can work towards reducing your chronic stress and anxiety, normalizing your body chemistry, and improving your sleep quality. So contact me to find out more about my services and how I can help you achieve a greater sense of calm and well-being in your life. Thank you.